In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off screenshots on Steam. If you've ever had random screenshot pop-ups while gaming, or you simply don't need Steam's in-game capture anymore, this quick walkthrough will show you how to disable it cleanly. On Steam, the screenshot feature is tied directly to the Steam overlay. So when we turn off the overlay, we effectively turn off screenshots across all your games. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer. Once it's up, look to the very top left of the window for the Steam menu. Click that, and then select Settings from the drop-down. This is where Steam keeps most of its global preferences, and changing things here applies to your entire library, not just a single game. In the Settings window, you'll see a list of categories on the left sidebar. Find and click the In-Game tab. This section controls everything related to Steam's in-game features, including the overlay, the screenshot hotkey, and other on-screen tools. We're focused on the overlay because it's the system that listens for the screenshot command while you're playing. On the right side of the in-game settings, look to the top for the option labeled Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Uncheck this box. This one change is the key. With the overlay disabled, Steam won't open its in-game interface, and it won't capture screenshots when you press the usual screenshot key. It's a global setting, so it turns off screenshots for all games launched through Steam. Now we'll save your changes. At the bottom of the window, click OK or Apply. OK saves and closes the window in one go, while Apply saves and keeps the window open in case you want to review other settings. If you accidentally hit Cancel, your changes won't stick, so make sure you confirm with OK or Apply before closing. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.